Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the presentation, now go straight to the Design tab. Start by picking a theme you like. Themes set fonts, colors, and basic layout so you save time. Once selected, decide whether to click Apply to All or right-click an individual slide to apply the theme only there. Make sure to preview a few slides while you work, because what looks good on one slide may need minor tweaks elsewhere. This first step establishes a consistent visual foundation for the rest of the process. Once the theme is in place, choose a variant to change color palettes and font pairings quickly. Variants make broad style shifts fast. Next, open Slide Master to edit core layouts, placeholders, and repeatable elements. This is where you fix alignment, headers, and footers globally. Make sure to set the slide size and orientation early, because changing size later can break spacing. While editing the master, lock down spacing and default image styles so every new slide inherits consistent structure and saves you repeated edits. Now refine, tweak color shades, font sizes, and spacing on representative slides so everything reads well on screen and in print. After adjustments, save your custom theme as a THMX and export any templates so teammates can reuse the design. When finished, check Slides in Slide Show mode and on a second device to confirm contrast and scaling. If things go wrong, reset the slide to the layout or reapply the Slide Master to fix stray formatting. This usually resolves most mismatches and keeps the design consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.